So after so many rounds of toying around with our sheet, perhaps it's time for us to, clean it up. Or you can hide it instead of cleaning it up. So how do we do this? Excel can hide columns. You can select the columns, click this guy, press on Shift, and then press on this column, and you have selected this whole bunch. Now you right click and select Hide, and there you go, it's hidden. Now how do you unhide that? Simple. You just select again, you click and you drag, or you click and then you press on Shift and then click again another column. Select the front, the start and the end columns, okay, to select this. Now right click and choose Unhide, and there you go. The whole bunch of hidden columns, they are now reviewed. So I want to hide it. And next, I would like to standardize all these rows. We're using we're using that piece of text which takes up quite a bit of space. But now we've already hidden it. It's fine. And comes to the task of right now standardizing all the row heights. So let's come over here, check the actual row height. Should be 15. Okay, and then you select, you click here again, drag all the way through, right click, and then select row height. It should now be 5, standardizing all the rows. Oops, I think it might be 2. Okay, I think I'm wrong. 15.74. So I'm going to undo. The way you undo is Control Z. So right click here, choose row height. This is 15.75. Okay, this should be a bit more. Let's just drag this down a little, even more. Okay, so there you go. And to rename this sheet, you right click, you double click. You double click over here, and then you just type in the name that you wish. You can also change, okay? You can also change the tab color to some other colors. Yeah, something like that. So there's a whole bunch of customization for Excel, okay? So I'm just showing you a few. You feel free to explore yourself all these various ones. Of course, in the upcoming tutorials, we will explore in depth the functions, okay? Mathematical functions, how you crunch numbers using Excel.